Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this Thursday. We're expecting it to remain fairly cloudy today over parts of the Lowveld and the adjacent mountainous areas after a foggy start over those areas, while in KwaZulu-Natal we're expecting a much clearer day, and along with that it's going to be a couple of degrees warmer after several very cloudy days across the province. Partly cloudy conditions will give way to thunder showers over the central interior this afternoon, including in Gauteng, while we're expecting things to be quite cloudy along the western and southern coastline, a little bit of fog in places and perhaps even a bit of light rain. Now this is reflected on the probability map for our rainfall for today, and there we see that chance of rain from around Langebaan down to about Cape Town. Things will be clearing over that area, while chances for rain will be increasing along the southern coastline as the day goes on. Best chances this evening. We are expecting very isolated thunder showers over parts of the Karoo, including Sutherland and towards Colesberg. Better chances onto the Highveld, Gauteng. We are in with a 40% chance. Similar conditions for much of the Free State, western KwaZulu-Natal, while over in Mpumalanga we are expecting scattered thunder showers to develop this afternoon. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued one alert for today. That's a warning for a high fire danger over parts of the central Karoo district of the Western Cape. Moving ahead now to the maximum temperatures, and it's going to be a hot day for central and western South Africa, 35 degrees for Upington. Cooler air in circulation along the west coast, pushing fairly far inland, affecting Springbok with a maximum of only 23. A similar daytime high for Port Elizabeth, and there we see temperatures in KZN getting into the mid to upper 20s. Pietermaritzburg, you'll get up to a much warmer 28 degrees today. The coastal conditions now, and winds will be light along the west coast at first and southwesterly. As the day goes on, wind speeds will be increasing over this area, becoming fresh to strong in Langebaan in particular. Swells, on the other hand, will remain fairly low at 1.5 meters. Now, we're also expecting winds to increase around the peninsula, light at first, becoming fresh to strong as well this afternoon, particularly into this evening, while lighter winds are expected for Hermanus as well as Cape Agulhas. Onto the south coast, and a weak low pressure system has moved through this area. Behind it, southwesterly winds are expected, fresh around Port Elizabeth, otherwise light to moderate across this area, and an easterly to southeasterly swell is expected at 2.5 meters. We're also expecting an easterly swell for KwaZulu-Natal and the Wild Coast today. Northeasterly winds expected across this area, strong for the Wild Coast, resulting in poor beach conditions. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a lovely Thursday.